In this video, I'm going to show you how to order on ACBuy. Now, the first thing you want to do, you can click the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and by clicking that link, you will come to this exact website, which is the correct website of ACBuy, where you can go ahead and get your stuff. Now, the first account or login. If you don't have one yet, just create one. It's very simple. And then you want to go to the enter product name or link over here, and you want to search for some products. For example, we're going to buy some shoes today. I'm going to click on search. And then here you can find all the different products. Now, of course, select one you'd like to order. For example, I'm going to take these. And then it's going to take you to the product website. You can read all about it. And then here you can select your color, your size, and then your quantity. And after you do that, you can see all your product data, etc. And here you can even leave a message in case you have any specific requirements for that order. If you don't, go ahead, click on I have read and agreed on this disclaimer, click on buy now, or of course you can add to cart if you wish to buy multiple items. And then here you first have to choose your destination country. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to select a country. There we go. And then after you do that, over here you can review your order. You can see if everything is correct, and if it is, click on I have read and agreed, and then click on submit. After that, your order has been created successfully, and then you have to basically just add in a card and the billing address over here. So you can either, of course, add this credit card billing address. You can click over here. You have to add in your first name, last name, your phone, country and region, your province, city, detailed address, and then your zip code. After you've done that, you have to select what you want to pay with. So, of course, it can be any of these things available on the list over here. And once you are done, simply click on the checkout button. You have to basically go through the sending packages menu, and then you'll submit that for delivery, and you're good to go. You've successfully ordered on ACBuy. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.